Welcome to apartment 14P at the Avery 100 Riverside Boulevard. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. Over here at the entry, we have a double-sized coat closet. The kitchen is island pass-through style with tons of storage. And over here, you can use it as a seating area. And here is meant for dining. We have a very spacious living room. We're facing south with extra high ceilings. Over here, we have open city view, park. And on this side, we have views of Hudson River. That's gonna be a park, so nothing going up to block your view. Here is another built-out linen / pantry, secondary bathroom, secondary bedroom, again, extra high ceilings, another double-sized closet, and that's gonna be the same view, same direction. And over here, in-unit washer dryer, primary suite, very, very spacious. Again, extra ceiling height. Got that river view and open city view. You have a very spacious walk-in closet. And the primary bathroom has both a shower and a soaking tub. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.